It's that time of year again to spring clean your digital marketing strategy. It's probably been a while since you've last done a thorough checkup on your digital marketing strategy. So start by asking yourself a few questions, like what are your long-term goals and short-term objectives specific to your digital marketing strategy? Assess your current performance and see what's working well and areas that need improvement. Develop a clear list of metrics that keep you and your team accountable. Set SMART goals, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-based goals. Incorporate your user personas as they grow and change. And update your content strategy consistently with scheduled check-ins. You can also create an ongoing editorial process. Need help spring cleaning your digital marketing strategy? Reach out to a creatively disruptive team member today for more information.